Hey there, I'm Luke the Cooking Camper with Zena the Glamper Camper. Right now we're packing up our campsite, getting ready to go, but let's jump in the camper so I can show you how to make a quick lunch. Now this recipe is super easy. I've already got one chicken breast cut up into cubes cooking on the skillet, and then our only other ingredients that we need are some little miniature buns, and I put one slice of pepper jack cheese on each one. Then we've got some onions to top them. And here is the delicious sauce we're going to put on our chicken. Let me show you how I made it. We have some minced garlic, some pre-made pesto, and some honey. Cook this until your chicken reaches 165 degrees. Well, thank you very much for watching this video. We hope that you enjoyed this recipe and we hope that you'll try it out. Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do, and have a great one.